How to manage subscription in NanoBanana AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manage it. First of all, go to the website name nanobanana.ai. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, tap on this tree line icon. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Here there are different options available. Simply tap on subscription management. So this will lead you to a different page. So this is the page where it shows all the subscription that you have done inside NanoBanana. Here you can even simply tap on view plans. So basically this is the place where you can manage the subscription and even add or buy other subscription. So all the list will be here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.